Louis. I thought she would have told you.
So that's why Bella had all her bags packed this morning.
You told me that you couldn't stand her anymore. Now it'll just be us, like you always wanted.
Yes, this is what I wanted, but why do I suddenly feel like something's missing?
Since Bella has left, Vivian will be taking Bella's place in our prestigious broadcast media program.
That's amazing. I didn't know you were interested in that.
I'm not, but how hard can it be? Look pretty, be on TV, read some lines off a prompter, and voila, I'm an influencer.
Vivian, the program isn't just video broadcast. It also includes radio.
Radio? Please, I'm too pretty for that.
Didn't she host her own podcast show not too long ago?
Turn to page 394.
When are you going to ask Vivian out?
Now that Bella's gone, I can finally ask Vivian out. What am I waiting for?
Is everything okay, Lou? You don't miss Bella, do you?
Vivian, there's something I want to say to you. Meet me tomorrow after school by the flower garden. Where's your bracelet?
What bracelet? What are you talking about? What bracelet? What are you talking about?
I know what it's like to lose someone you love. I wear my mom's bracelet every day. It's all I have of her. I would never give it up for the world.
Didn't you always wear a bracelet on your right wrist?
Oh, you mean that cheap old thing that I've had for years? I threw that away. Time for an upgrade.
All right, guys. Let's do one more rehearsal, okay? Make this one count. Give me some energy. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Come on, guys. Please give me something.
Are you sure she's still coming?
She'll be here. She promised.
Almost 6. He's still waiting.
2 whole hours, heart is breaking.
Vivian's gone where diamonds are.
Aster air shines like a star.
Louis dreams, but comes up last.
Only Bella loved him in the past.
Feel like, man.
The Vivian I remembered wouldn't be shallow like that. Maybe something happened to her. Anyone know where Vivian is right now?
Don't you feel bad standing Louis up today? He's been so sweet to you.
I could just tell he was gonna do some dumb love proposal and then ask me to prom. Can you imagine? I've got the Aster Air after me. No way I'm going to my first Wentworth prom with some poor inner city kid.
Honestly, Lou's hot. I thought you actually liked him. Why'd you make such a fuss over him at your birthday?
Why do you think? Because Bella's in love with him, and anything she has, I want. Want to hear something funny? I told her that I'd give her dead mommy's bracelet back just to get her to come.
Oh my God, to see Lou all over me.
Then threw that bracelet away.
You should have seen the look on her face.
That bracelet was Bella's?
I don't even care about that cheap shit. I just made Daddy give it to me because Bella cherishes it. He loves me so much, he'll believe anything I say. Who's there?
Philip? Your dad owns the broadcast studio on South Street, right? I need a favor.
One of my dad's companies, he sponsors the Actually I'm Not Okay podcast, which is hosted by Bella Rupert.
I wear my mom's bracelet every day. It's all I have of her.
But there's more. I also looked up the I'm Not Okay podcast on Instagram.
Is everyone okay? Because after a brief hiatus, Actually I'm Not Okay is back. I'm your host, Bella Rupert. We've got new episodes dropping soon.
Bella? She hasn't answered any of my calls. I have to find her.
She transferred, yeah. Look, right behind.
Okay, confession time tonight. This is embarrassing, but I was in love with a boy. And I thought if I just loved him enough, he had to love me back. Turns out it doesn't work that way. The truth is, my crush used me to get to my sister. And yeah, it hurt like hell. But I said goodbye to my stupid old crush this week. Started a new chapter. And I think I'm gonna be okay without him.
What have I been doing the last 2 years? Mistaking the girl that I love? I treated Bella's feelings like garbage. I hurt her so much. I'm such an idiot. Fuck! I have to do something to make things right. Wait for me, Bella. I promise.
Thanks, Ollie.
Yeah, you did great, as always.
Thank you for letting me do my podcast here. I didn't realize how much I missed having a voice.
Not just any voice. You have this way of getting people to open up about themselves and connecting people. I can tell you're really passionate about your stories.
How do you know that? Have you heard my show before? I gotta go. Thank you again.
Bella, you really don't remember me, do you?
Gee, that's the Louis Astor that I know. Oh, wait, does that mean Vivian knows who you really are?
She doesn't know. In fact, I invited her here tonight as the Astor Heirs date. If I'm gonna reveal who I am, everyone should know who she truly is too.
Okay, so I take it that the PI you hired didn't have good news about her past, huh?
Let's just say I invited the skeletons in her closet to come out tonight too.
So where's this rich boy that you have wrapped around your finger?
As your parents, we should get to meet him first. Did he ask you to prom yet?
Mom, Dad, don't embarrass me. Rich guys like him probably don't even go to prom. He invited me to be his date tonight, so who knows? Maybe he'll go straight to a ring.
Welcome, esteemed trustees. It's so wonderful to have everyone here tonight. Tonight, we are here to honor the Astor family for their generous donation to our Iris Prize Fund. Please welcome to the stage our Iris Prize winner, Miss Vivian Rupert, who will introduce Mr. Louis Astor himself.
Oh my God. The Astor heir is finally going to show his face, and it's all because of Vivian. Do you think he'll propose?
It is my pleasure to introduce to you tonight's guest of honor, Mr. Louis Astor.
You're the Louis Astor? Turns out Lou is actually the heir to the Astor fortune. Louis Astor. No wonder he's been by Vivian's side since she got here. Do you think he's gonna ask her to prom in front of everyone? Or better yet, marry him? Oh, jeez.
Hi, everyone.
Why is he looking at me differently all of a sudden?
I'm Louis Astor. Most of my friends at Wentworth know me as Lou. But tonight's not about me. I'd like to say a few words about Vivian Rupert. How well do you really know your new Queen V? Let's find out, shall we? Well, look how popular Vivian is.
Wait, that's the Smith heir, the White heir, and the Forbes heir.
Holy fuck, that is Vivian. Looks like she's only sleeping with every rich guy in the state.
That's enough. That's enough.
What is this?
That's not all. She also volunteered with the mental health hotline to get all of your secrets and make fun of you online.
No. Vivian was behind that blog? That's straight up psychological abuse.
Speaking of abuse,
It's a cat!
Doing, Lou? I thought you liked me.
see, I thought I did too. Until I realized you were pretending to be Bella. You manipulated me, you manipulated everyone into hating her. And now we all know who you really are.
Lou, wait!
Mask off, Vivian. Truth is out. Not that crown. Now get out. No more action. No more games. Say it loud. Say her name.
That's our little girl, and that was disgusting. Wait, I want you to get back on that stage. Hey, look. You gotta see this.
Bella's with another guy?
That's the new transfer, Bella Rupert. Looks like she's already got her claws in Oliver.
Your third dozen roses for your third day at Franklin. From Oliver.
Oliver's being so nice to me.
I heard she tried to steal her sister's boyfriend, and when he rejected her, she was so embarrassed that she transferred schools. Do you think you're better than us?
I'm sorry, do we know each other?
We know you, Queen Bee. You tried to steal your sister's boyfriend and became the joke at Wentworth. You chased him for 2 years, and not once did he ask you out. But look, you pulled out all the stops for your sister's promposal.
You are so predictable, Louis. I'm barely gone, and you're already going public with Vivian. You are mistaken. I decided to leave Louis. Now he can do whatever he wants. So give me my flowers back.
Catch! You think just because Oliver got you flowers, it means he likes you? He's just nice to everyone.
Or maybe someone's a little jealous.
Jealous? Jealous of trash like you? Never.
Stop.
Get away from her.
Oliver, we were just messing around. We didn't mean anything by it.
I like her. Is that a problem?
He likes me, but we hardly know each other.
In fact, Bella, I've liked you for a long time. Since we were kids.
Oliver, what are you talking about?
You don't remember? Here.
Oh my God, he's so hot!
Feel that?
What?
I'm missing a rib. God took it from me and made you with it.
We said that when we were kids.
Yes, you remember.
You're a crybaby from next door.
I don't cry anymore.
Oh my God, this is so sweet. Bella is Oliver's childhood crush. I'm crying. You're like supposed to be on my side. I just love love. Kiss her. Kiss her. Kiss